Nchi yetu ya Kenya is one of the many countries ambazo zina upungufu wa miti. Out of our 583 square kilometers, only 23% of our country is rain secure. The rest is either arid or semi-arid or desert. So I urge you to ensure that where it is necessary to fence our forests that are gazetted, Parliament will support you with budget and allocations so that we can be able to protect our forests.
And we want to send our sincere condolences to the people of this region. Tomorrow we'll be there for the support. But as a ministry, and also through KMD, that is Kenya Meteorological Department, we are sending routine alerts. And we'll be able to escalate this to ensure that there is public awareness, especially in the flood-prone areas. Equally, there is increased rainfall in the Lake Victoria region, the Rift Valley region, especially the west, the central, and the southern region. And so we want to call upon Kenyans to be extra cautious in this region so that we can be able to move to areas that are safe. Let us avoid the riparian areas. And from tomorrow, we'll be working with the community, engaging them, and creating public awareness when it comes to the matters of climate.
Warai wa Kenya ambao wanaishi katika sehemu zenye aidha misitu imeharibika au zina uwezekano wa uporomoko wa udongo wasaidiwe kwa huu msimu wa mvua nyingi kukaa kwa mahali ambayo iko salama. Leo nimeona kwa news kwamba kule Kapedo pia tumekuwa na landslides na watu wawili wamekufa kuongezea wale wamekufa Marakwet. We want to encourage that these landslides happen where trees have been destroyed or not planted at all. So Mama Deborah na wizara yako, map out all such high-risk areas and do a Marshall Plan to plant trees to enable the protection of our soils, especially where they are fragile in the face of heavy rain.